Hello sa inyo mga tolls, welcome sa akin channel, and ngayon tuturo ko sa inyo another song from Nery, Binhi. So, let's start. So, yung introduction natin is madali lang. Ito. First string, second string, 4th fret. First string open, then second string 4th fret, slide papuntang A major, then A minor 7, or pwede rin A minor. So next part natin is the verse. So tatlong chord lang yung gagamitin natin. So first chord natin is C sharp minor 7. Bar chord kayo, 4th fret. Middle finger nasa second string, 5th fret. Ring finger nasa 4th string, 6th fret. G sharp minor 7, middle finger nasa 6th string, 4th fret, mute sa 5th string, naka-mute, and then ring finger nasa 4th string, 4th fret. This one is 3rd string, 4th fret. Pero kung nahihirapan kayo nito, pwede nyo gamitin itong G sharp minor 7. Index finger nasa 3rd string, 4th fret, and then this finger is nasa 4th string, 6th fret, and then ring finger nasa 5th string, 6th fret. Mas madali. Then next chord is F sharp minor 7, or pwede din ganun, same lang sa G sharp minor 7. So kakantahin natin. Di ko na nadiligan ang binhi ng iyong pagmamahal, ako'y nasa pilitan. Last. Next part is the chorus part. So yung chords gagamitin natin. 6 na chords, pero napakadali lang. So niya is E major. So ganito. Index finger 3rd string, 1st fret. Middle ring finger nasa 4th string, 2nd fret. Middle finger nasa 5th string, 2nd fret. And next chord is G sharp minor it's G sharp 7. Naka-bar chord yung 4th fret, and then ring finger nasa 5th string, 6th fret, and then middle finger 3rd string nasa 5th fret. baba mo lang, 4th fret pa rin. It's naka power chord ako, it's a B chord, B power chord. So ito yan. Next chord is A major, kanina yung sa intro, A minor 7 or A minor. Ayan. So, next part is the verse. Balik ka sa same chords pa rin. Yung sa verse kanina, 4 na balik. And then chorus. Yung chorus natin, 2 balik. And then sa ad-lib part and bridge part, same chords. Yung chords niya is nasa chorus. Outro niya na bridge. I don't know it's a bridge but it's an outro. Papuntang chorus. Same lang yung chords. And then yung ending part niya is chorus din pero kaya tahan na. Strum pattern lang. 1 strum. Hope may natutunan kayo sa tutorial ko ngayon, and para updated kayo sa aking channel, just click subscribe button and also follow my Facebook page. Nasa link description po. And if you have some requests, you can comment down below or sa Facebook ko, and para baka matsambahan ko yung mga requested nyo and gawan ko ng tutorial. So, yun lang. God bless.